How to send and receive money in your Binance account. Okay, so this is home. You can go up there on the right hand corner of your video, of your screen, where you see deposit in yellow. Then when you click on deposit, there will be options: buy with AED, and then deposit, or P2P trading and stuff like that. That's if you don't have crypto. So when you click on crypto, they will show you what crypto you want to send. Okay, so if you want to deposit, now here in Binance, when you say deposit, it means you want to receive money in your Binance account. Okay, you want someone else to deposit it for you. So you're going to get a network, or you're going to get an address where you want to receive that money. This is your address, you get it. So depositing, you're going to tell the other person to deposit crypto in your what? In your Binance. Repeat after me: deposit crypto in my Binance account. So it's not you depositing there, it's them going to deposit. So you copy this address. You copy the address after choosing the network that you want. Yeah, and then you can paste it wherever you want to, wherever you want to paste it. Now, now you're the one going to withdraw. Now withdrawing, as you can see, you have, okay, I may have a small one, 1 point something, like this is on my spot wallet. Then you click on withdraw. Now, if you're the one sending, if you're the one sending, it means you're withdrawing crypto from your Binance. Okay, so now you can withdraw. You click on withdraw after choosing. If it's USDT that you want to withdraw, good. If it's BTC you want to withdraw, if it's Ethereum, if it's whatever it is, okay. But for the sake of this video illustration, I'm just using USDT. Okay, so you make sure you've clicked into that one, and then you click on withdraw. Now this is on my funding wallet. Okay, so you can click on withdraw, or you can transfer it to crypto spot wallet. So after that, I have a video on that, you can check it out. So then you can now check whether you want to send via crypto network or send via email. Now if you're the person who received the other address, you want to send on a crypto network that they gave you, that address. So I'm just using it to paste it into here. For example, just giving an example. Then the network, remember the other time we used TRC 20. Yeah, so even here, this person, they will have to use TRC 20. You will tell them. If not, it's automatic. You click on automatic, detection of the network. All right, so this is for withdrawal. And with withdrawals and deposits, you have to be very, very careful with the network. See, they sent for your network of TRC 20. You don't want to use any other network. The money won't be realized. The crypto won't be realized. So for any questions, any things that are not clear, please leave them in the comments or send me a direct message on Telegram. The links are everywhere. They're all over the place. Okay, so please. Then the amount, of course, you can put the amount or put maximum and stuff like that, and then you click withdraw, and that's the end of it. So please, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and let me know your feedback in the comments below. What other videos would you want to watch from me? And see you in the next video. Bye.